Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Blades. So we are making today the Huntsman. The Huntsman is a 1/4 of an inch thick. It is D2 material and I have a couple more. So if you want one of these, I highly recommend that you jump on threeriverblades.com and go ahead and get you one. This comes in a hollow grind. Obviously this is more of a wilderness blade, but man, this thing is chunky. Heavy duty woods blade, you can't go wrong. So stay tuned to the end of the video and we'll finish up. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that presentation. This is the Huntsman in D2. It has a 4.5 inch blade with a 5-inch handle. Ideally what it's made for, so you can use it in the woods with some type of gloves on. It is D2, so it is semi-stainless, which is really nice for those guys in mountainous or wilderness wetlands. All right, it will not rust on you. It has a very high chromium content, so it has less likely to rust. That being said, you still got to take care of it. I do have on the back a little bit of jimping. I don't know if you can see that right there. So you can really press your thumb on there. The sides of the spines are very sharp, so if you want to get a striker, you can do that as well. Custom sheath. Again, the sheets are going to come in basic black Kydex, but you decide how you want to carry it. This happens to be in a scout style, where the loop, the one belt loop, is going to be carried like this. Again, this is removable. So if you're right-handed and you wanted this on the left side, you can pull it out this way, or you can change the loop to the other side and pull it out that way. Again, when you are ordering one of these knives, what you have to do is put that in the comments so I know if you are right or left-handed and the way you want to draw this knife. Typically the knife is basically up and down or in the vertical fashion, but to each his own, however you want to carry this. All right, just want to give you guys a nice, close-up of what this thing looks like. Again, this is G10 for those that want to know what kind of handle scales they are. All right, they are linen. I know this light doesn't really do it any justice, but it is a really nice, comfortable G10. Again, D2 is stamped in there, and on this side it has my maker's mark, not the maker's mark that I carry now, but this is a little bit older design. It does come with a lanyard hole, so if you guys wanted to, you can put a lanyard in there. It does have this nice ergonomic handle right here, so you can definitely put your finger up there, get some nice whittling tasks and all of that. These are outstanding blades, guys. If you want one, get one now, because I don't know how long that they are going to last. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for following and liking and subscribing. It really does help the algorithms. It really does help the business to get bigger, so I really appreciate that. Please add some comments down below if you would like one of these, or you're thinking about getting one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. If you want to watch videos like this, become a Patreon member. It only costs you $1 a month. You get to watch videos like this before anybody else. And if you just want to support the channel the free way, just like and subscribe. It's that simple. Thank you very much, guys, and as always, keep grinding.